Welcome to Dave's Cooking Show, and for you today, I'm basically going to be doing my version of the Wolf Pit's version of like a chicken casserole thing. I don't know, it's the Wolf Pit chicken thing. Link to the original video will be in the description below. But first off, here's 1.5 to 2 pounds of white meat chicken breast that I've diced up. If you do want to use thighs, that's perfectly fine. And then season with a little bit of salt and a little bit of pepper. Cook till the chicken is done. I think it took 5 to 7 minutes. Okay, and now it's time to make the white rice component of this. That's 1.5 cups of just regular long grain white rice into 3 cups of water. Make sure to bust it up with a spoon. And then you want to lower the heat. And then you want to cover and simmer for about 20 minutes. Okie dokie. And now it's time for the wild rice. About the same rules apply, except it is 1/2 cup of wild rice and 1.5 cups of water. But the same rules apply. Turn the heat down, simmer it covered, and simmer for about 20 damn minutes. Okay, now we're going to make, for lack of a better term, the sauce. What you want is one of those family-size cans of Campbell's cream of chicken soup. Alright, then you want a 1/2 can to a full can of milk. It just depends on how thin you want the sauce. I was looking for a thicker sauce, so I went with about 1/2 can of milk. Stir till both are mixed. Add about 12 ounces of bacon that you've cooked and chopped up. Because again, bacon makes everything delicious. And then you just want to simmer and stir this for, again, 15 minutes or so. If you want your sauce a little thicker, then simmer it for a little while longer. Don't worry about like the rice getting cold or the chicken getting cold, because this will heat it right back up. Alright, this last part is optional, but I got a nice IPA, a nice dark local beer, and I put about 1/2 can in there, roughly about 6 ounces. Again, that's completely optional, up to you. And now it's time to add our rice. The wild rice, that is. And then you want to add all of the white rice. And then you want to give this a stir around. And just make sure everything is mixed. And I guess at some point, I don't know where the hell the footage was. I might have forgot to turn on the camera. I, of course, added the chicken back into the pot before the rice. So make sure you add the chicken, too. Okay, then you want to get yourself a bowl, grab a ladle, and get yourself a nice portion of the chicken stuff. Or the chicken, rice, and chicken soup mix. Okay, then you want to add some shredded cheddar cheese. And then, of course, some freshly ground black pepper. And that's really it. That's my interpretation of the Wolf Pit's no-peak chicken casserole. Again, this is my interpretation of it. All right. That's this dish. Done.